I'm making fabric. Look at this. Using a loom is something that I've never tried before, and today Helen Dreifelds is going to give me a lesson on the loom. Helen, thank you so much for having me to your studio here. It is incredibly inspiring. So describe what you do and who you are as an artist.
I'm an emerging artist, and I work primarily with hand-woven textiles, and I create installations, open-form sculptures, sometimes wall-based works.
And then you've got some here, which to me this feels very much like fabric.
Yeah, basically taking an image that I photographed and then manipulating it and creating it into cloth.
Oh wow, from a photograph, then you create this on the loom,
Yeah.
I presume. Okay.
Yes, definitely. So today we'll be sampling. We'll be doing little experiments, and those usually help me inform something larger afterwards.
Can we meet the loom?
Yeah, definitely. Let's go.
Before we get started, we have to create, what are these called?
Those are the warp threads. So we have to set them up, and we're going to do that just over here.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
We're basically choosing or setting our length for our textile right now.
Okay.
Now your turn.
I'm going to give this a try, and I'm going
You're going to go over top.
over top.
Yep, over top.
Over top.
It's like doing like an infinity.
Oh.
Yeah. So under, over, over. Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
The infinity.
The infinity.
As soon as you
Yep.
said infinity, I get it.
Yep. So now that we've created our length of our thread for the warp, we're now going to go set it up on the table loom. We have here the harnesses, which are like neighborhoods, and then we have our citizens, which are the heddles.
Does each thread go through a citizen?
Yes.
It does, okay.
Yeah.
And then what do we have here in the end?
And then here we have the reed, and each thread goes through each of these slots, which is called a dent.
I noticed that every thread has gone through every reed. Do you need to do that?
You can skip some, so that'll create a more open weave or a tighter weave. So here we have the floor loom. It's already been set up. There's a header here. It can be any type of material. It just basically makes it ready to weave. You have your boat shuttle with the bobbin already wound with the fabric, or the yarn rather.
Yeah.
And you're going to press down on 1 and 3 at the same time.
So like an organ, these pedals.
Exactly, you got it.
So, okay.
And then you're going to pass it through, and then you're going to take the beater, which is this, and you're going to smush the threads. And then you're going to keep it smushed, and then switch to the 2 and 4 on the bottom there. Yep, you got it.
Wow.
Then you want to move it back,
Yep.
and you're going to go back through again.
And you slide it through again.
And slide it through again.
So basically at this point, it's all about repetition, correct?
At this point, yeah.
Can I just say this would take me 17 years to create a hand towel. I'm making fabric. Look at this.
Yeah.
I'm making fabric. So I think I've got the hang of it.
Yeah,
Ish.
definitely.
Can we switch up the colors?
For sure.
How much do you think I could get for this piece?
I don't know, it's yours to keep, so
mine
feel
to
free
keep.
for free today.
I'm going to sell this online. So here, I'm going to continue on because I'm going to have to make a duvet cover out of this, if you don't mind. Is that okay?
Sounds good, I'll leave you to it.
Okay, just leave the keys as well, because I'll be here for a while.